Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off two-factor authentication in Instagram. It is a fast and easy tutorial. Two-factor authentication is a popular identity confirmation method for a variety of web pages and online apps. It is an additional layer of security that protects you and your account from imposters. With so many users worldwide, the platform has to pay attention to account safety. Of course, some people might have turned on two-factor authentication only to change their mind. It does add a couple more steps. Open your Instagram app from your phone. Then tap on the profile icon. Next, you need to click on the three lines, then Settings and Privacy. Once you tap on Settings and Privacy at the top here, tap on the Account Center. After that, tap on Password and Security. In Password and Security, these options will be shown. Look for two-factor authentication and tap on it. After you have done that, this will be seen. Next, you will need to tap on the Instagram account. This will be seen on the Authentication app. You will get a login code from your Authentication app. At this point, you will need to just toggle the switch off and it's done. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.